A great way to improve your videos is by using lower thirds, effects, transitions, and more on your videos. Let's take this video on YouTube from The Richest channel and play it for a few seconds. See that transition effect? Pretty cool, right? Here is one top 10 video I made when I first started. See those effects and titles? Also, the subscribe template? You can get all of these from the Envato website I talked about in the previous video. If you go to the VideoHive website, which is part of Envato, and type titles, you will get so many templates and you can edit them in either Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro, DaVinci, and many more. You can also search for transitions, and here you can find so many of them, like 1,000 or 4,000, and you can use them in any of your future videos. Don't worry if you don't know how to use them. They all come with detailed instructions, and trust me, they are very easy to use. And hey, you'll be learning something new after all. Here, you can also find end card templates for your videos. Simply type YouTube, and you will see all the elements that they have available for YouTube.